Welcome, Bike. In part 2, we talked about the mindset becoming the man who doesn't chase. But today, we're going deeper. We're going into the biology and the psychology of attraction. Here is the scary truth. Science tells us that a woman's brain decides if you're a potential partner or just background noise within the first 5 seconds of seeing you. Before you even open your mouth to say hello, a judgment is made. You can't fake this with a pickup line. You have to hack the subconscious. Today, I'm showing you how to trigger attraction at a biological level. Phase 1 is what psychologists call thin slicing. Her brain is taking a rapid snapshot of you. Most guys fail right here because they enter a room looking for approval. They scan the room, thinking, does anyone like me? The attractive man enters a room, analyzing the environment. Here's the micro fix. When you walk in, keep your chin parallel to the floor. Do not check your phone. Do not look down. By exposing your neck and chest with open body language, you're subconsciously signaling primal confidence. You are telling your brain, I am not afraid of this environment. That's the first spark. Phase 2 is the safe to danger paradox. This is where 90% of guys get friend-zoned. Evolutionary psychology is simple. Women are wired to seek a man who is competent enough to protect, but safe enough to trust. If you're too nice, you seem weak, safe, but if you're too aggressive, you seem dangerous, competent, but unsafe. You need to hit that sweet spot. The dangerous man who is under control. How do you show this without talking? It's in your reaction time. When something happens, loud noise, a joke, an interruption, nervous guys react instantly. They jump. The dominant man has a lag. He processes, then he reacts. That split-second delay proves you are in control of your nervous system. That screams safety to a female intuition. Phase 3 is about triggering attraction patterns. Let's talk about 3 specific micro-behaviors that flip the attraction switch. First, the downward inflection. When you introduce yourself, don't go up at the end of the sentence like you're asking a question. Go down. Hi, I'm John. It sounds like a statement of fact, not a request for permission. Second, the lean back. When you're sitting across from her, never lean in too eagerly. Lean back. Claim your space. It signals that you aren't trying to take something from her. You're simply inviting her into your world. Third, the eye contact break. We talked about eye contact in part 1, but how do you break it? Never look down. Looking down signals submission. When you break eye contact, look to the side. It implies you're distracted by something else, not intimidated by her. Understanding these signals gives you an unfair advantage. You stop guessing what she's thinking, and you start influencing what she's feeling. But knowing the psychology is only half the battle. You have the mindset from part 1 and the psychology from part 2. In part 3's, the finale, we cover the lifestyle transformation. How to build a life so high value that you never have to act confident again because you are confident. If you want the finale, part 3, drop a comment saying all in. Class dismissed.